This is a short video to show you how and what you can cook with venison. A friend of ours went hunting and he brought us some venison. The first package I opened was like ground beef. So I started by cooking it like you would ground beef and drained off the fat, which was very little. And then I wanted to make stuffed peppers with them. So I take my mixture of vegetables, add spices, and to that I add some rice, and to all of that I mix in some tomatoes. Once it's all mixed together, you can go ahead and stuff those peppers and bake them in the oven. What you have left over of the mixture, you can add to spaghetti sauce and make crock-pot lasagna. Nothing goes to waste. The next package I opened was a roast. I started by searing the roast outside on the grill and getting it all nice and browned. Next, I seasoned it up with my favorite spices and put it on a layer of a couple of onion slices so it was like a grate in the bottom. Cover the pan with foil and slow bake it in the oven, 350 for an hour and a half. Top with some crushed tomatoes. Excellent.